In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own web design business and start making some money with little or no expenses. Did you know that you can design websites without going to school to learn how to design websites or even learning how to code? And I know it can be very intimidating when you're seeing all these web designers with their beautiful laptops, their big desktops, amazing offices, and you look at them and think, man, this is very complicated and this is something very expensive to do for myself. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started as soon as today with little or no expenses. So the way that you can build these websites without having to learn how to code is by using what are called no-code website builders. And for example, there's one which is called Creator HQ, which according to me is the best website development platform that you will find on the internet. You can find it by just going to creatorhq.com. And so basically, this is just a website that allows you to build websites through it without having to code. So people who are maybe content creators, people who are course creators, people who are business owners, they use this platform to set up their websites within minutes. So the way that it works is that you just simply come and choose one of the pricing plans here, or you just simply click here where it says start a free trial. And I'm going to talk about the pricing plans shortly in this video. You can just click on start a free trial and then you'll be able to test out the website builder for 14 days for free. Once you have clicked on free trial and then you've registered there, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you to choose your website template. And guys, this is how simple and easy it is to actually build websites using this. You just simply go through the different templates and choose a template that you like, and then you'll be able to edit it and make a website within minutes. Let's just say that maybe I've got a client who needs a website. This client maybe runs maybe a salon, or they're into fashion and clothing. I'm just going to simply click here where it says fashion, and then I choose the template that I like. I'm just going to go for this first one here. I'm just going to click on that, and then just maybe call this test for now, and then just click on submit. And just like that, I've got a full website that I can just come in here and edit. If I just scroll down here, guys, this is what the website actually looks like. In fact, if I just click on this eye here so that you see it better, I'm able to show you that, okay, this is what their website is going to look like when it's done. As you can see, it's professionally done. It's a world-class website. And all you just simply need to do is just start editing the details here, put like the company logo, the company images, and just change the text. And just to show you how easy it is to make changes here, like if I just want to change this sentence here, I just need to click on it, right? And then I can just start typing. I just click where I want to type, and as you can see, I can even write my name there if I want to write my name. That's how simple and easy it is. If I want to save those changes, I just click here where it says save. If I see this image here and I don't want this image, I just click on the image, and then it says edit image there. I click on that, and then I click on this plus, and I locate an image on my laptop, and then I just click on upload file, and then the file is going to be automatically uploaded to the website. So it's as simple and as easy as that. You don't have to do a lot of work. All you just need to know is, okay, what does the client want to be on their website? What images are they going to be using? And like maybe their contact details, the emails that I need to put here. And then you just come here, you use the templates, and then you just start editing everything. And not only do they get to have a website built in Creator HQ, but also there are so many different features that they may want to use. For example, maybe if they want to sell their products online. In other words, people can actually buy and order their products online. There's a store feature here where you can actually set up a store, and then people will be able to, they're able to create like all their products in here, set up their payment processors, and then like even, as you can see, it even says shipping there. In other words, you actually can do e-commerce using this platform. So you'll be able to sell products right here and take people's orders. And I think that's something fantastic, especially if you're trying to make real money online. Let's say maybe you want to do some email marketing, right? There's also the option for you to do email marketing. Most websites, what you need to do is that you need to then go and pay for another software that will allow you then to connect to your current website, and then you do email marketing. But using this software, you're able to do email marketing right from within your website. And like I showed you here, like this is, let's say like we're building a website maybe for someone who is maybe running a hair salon, and people need to set appointments, or maybe they're a business coach, right? And people just need to set appointments with them. You actually can create appointments within the website so that people can then just start setting appointments, booking appointments, and then you get notifications that, okay, this appointment has been set, and this is what we're going to be talking about, or this is what we're going to be doing at this appointment. These are just some of the awesome features that are there. The other feature that I also want to just acknowledge is the academy. Like, let's say maybe you want to figure out, okay, how exactly does this whole website work? How do I use this website? How do I do this and how do I do that? There's actually an academy in here with different videos that will teach you everything that you need to know about how to use this software, and that's what makes it so awesome. And so, because we're talking about you starting your own web design business, there are basically three ways that you can make money from this whole process. The first one is that you're going to be getting paid for building websites for individuals and for companies. You can reach out to different people that don't have websites, or they've got websites that need an upgrade, and you can actually charge them money. Myself, I do this, and I charge people from anywhere from about $450 going up. So you can also do the same, coming up with your own prices, and then you just charge people for you setting up their websites for them. The second way that you can earn income from this is through affiliate marketing. Creator HQ has got an affiliate marketing program, meaning that if you sign up for the affiliate marketing program, you are able to promote the platform. And because it's a platform that people need to pay for every single month, you can get a 30% commission or whatever package that people choose to take. So in other words, you just find this one client, you set up the website for them, but because they use Creator HQ using your link, every single month you're going to be getting paid 30% of whatever they are paying to Creator HQ. And that's how affiliate marketing works. Then the third way that you actually can make money from this is by actually selling your own digital products. You recognize that Creator HQ allows you to sell both physical and digital products. Digital products are maybe, for example, courses, audio books, PDF books. There are so many types of digital products that you can sell. If you're an expert, you're someone who's knowledgeable about maybe some information that you know some other people want, you can actually use this platform to start selling your own knowledge. So the next obvious question is, how exactly do you find clients for your web design business? Now that you've seen you can design websites in minutes using Creator HQ, how exactly do you find people that need websites? So there's 6 different methods that I just want to go through briefly, and I talk about these more in depth in my free training where I show people how to build website design businesses. The link is going to be in the description below. The first one is that you can start with people that you know. I'm talking about your friends, I'm talking about your family, I'm talking about like local grocery shops or any type of business or gyms, schools, etc., etc. But when you know they don't have a website, you just simply need to go through your phone contacts or walk around your neighborhood and identify businesses. Then go online and check if they actually have got websites. And then rather than going to them and saying, "Hey, I can build a website for you," what I recommend is that you do a demo for them. You just do an example and you see their maybe like their logo or the name of their company. You take that and you go and create a website for them. If they are a hair salon, you design a website for a hair salon. If they are a sports club, you design a website for a sports club. Whatever they do, just create a demo for them. Then you approach them and say, "Hey, I designed a website for you. This is what it looks like." You walk them through it. You show them from your laptop. You explain the benefits of having a website, like it will help them to get more customers, more people will be able to find them online, to be able to get bookings even after hours whilst they are asleep, all those benefits, right? It's easier for people to say yes to you when they actually see what you are trying to do than for you to just approach them and say that, "Hey, I can design a website for you." So most of them will actually say yes to you. So that's the first place where you can find your first clients. And then, in line with that one, my second point is that you need to build a website portfolio. The portfolio is basically a list of companies that you have worked with and you have done work for them. So, like for myself, before I give you a job to do something for whatever it is that I need you to do something for me, I'll say, "Okay, who have you worked with before? Or can you show me examples of what you've been able to do?" Now, most of you guys don't have those examples because you've never done this before. So what you want to do is that you firstly either need to come up with some company names that you just make up in your head, and then you design a website for them. Just use that as an example. Or maybe it's the relatives and the friends that you design websites for, then take them and put them in your portfolio. No one is going to actually research and check and say, "Okay, this company is really legit," and then they call them and say, "Okay, how was the service?" No one does that. People just want to see that you're able to do the job. So that's why you need to come up with your own portfolio, right? And then the third way for you to get clients is by reaching out to local businesses. A lot of people try and spend a lot of their time trying to find clients that are everywhere else except where they are. It's easier for people to trust you because they know you and they're able to see you. It's easier for them to give you a job to build them a website than it is easier than it is for you to actually maybe try and reach out to someone who is in another city and try and build a website for them. So if you're able to identify companies around you that don't have websites, you actually can walk in and say, "Hey, I'm a web designer, and this is what I'm able to do." You're actually able to show them how to do that. And I'll just mention it also once again that I actually show people how to approach these different companies and what exactly you're supposed to say to them to convince them that they need a website. And then the next one is by basically using social media. There are so many different social media groups. For example, in your area, if you just go on Facebook and search business groups near me, you will find Facebook groups of business people who get there to post about their businesses, to talk about business, to share ideas, etc. Some of those businesses don't have websites. You can just simply join those groups and then you can reach out to those people and say, "Hey, I'm a web designer. I can build your website for you." So that's how you can use groups. The other way is also for you to then use social media the same way that I use it. You create content that shows that you are a web designer and you're able to build websites. I've seen a lot of people succeeding with this on TikTok where they're just posting videos showing how they're able to make websites or maybe the websites that they have made on TikTok. And then they then start getting more people asking, can you build a website for me like that? So that's one of the ways that you can use social media. And then the last method I'll talk about is SEO. SEO just basically means search engine optimization. In other words, you need to have your own website, which you can build in Greater HQ. Then you put it up there and use SEO so that people who are in your location are able to find you as a web designer, right? They're able to find your website and then reach out to you from your website asking you to build websites for them. So, Marshall, this sounds great, but how much does it actually cost to use this software? Like, how much do I need to pay? Is this for free? Or I need to pay something. Like I mentioned, you can start off with a free trial. It's a free 14-day trial. But also, if you click on that button and we say it's free trial, you'll be able to see the different plans that are there. There are yearly plans and then there are monthly plans. So if you leave it on yearly, it's cheaper. In other words, you pay for the whole year. Or if you want to pay month to month, you're going to just click there where it says monthly, and then you will see that the plans start from $49 a month, there's $79 a month, and then there's the platinum plan for $257 a month. So if you sign up for the $49 per month plan, you get a website, you get funnels, you get custom domains, and then these are all the different things that you are able to do. So when I mentioned earlier on that you tell a client that there's a setup fee and then there's a maintenance fee, or in other words, like a hosting fee. This is the hosting fee. In other words, for their website to remain active, for their website to for people to be able to find it, they have to pay $49 every single month. But in order for you to set up the website for them, you charge them more. $100 was like the minimum that maybe you can charge. I charge from $450 going up, depending on what type of website I'm actually setting up. So if you sign up for this platform today, which you need to do if you want to then learn how to use it and get access to my free training as well. You're going to start off with a 14-day free trial, which gives you time to actually learn the platform and see whether it's something that you're able to do. If you're not able to do it, you just cancel the trial. But then after that, you will then be required to pay $49 a month. Now, some of you might be saying, okay, $49 a month is a lot of money. I don't have the money to do this. You're going into this as a business. Every single business has got expenses. If you're trying to do this as something that you just join and then money just appears from nowhere, don't even bother signing up for this. This is a business. In other words, you set up your own website and then you start finding clients, and then the money you make from the clients is what you're going to be using to pay off your monthly fee for this platform, right? So I just want you to have that right mentality of why you are doing this. You are doing this because you want to build a business. If $49 a month is too much for you, it tells me that your mentality is the wrong mentality and you should not do this. $49 a month is a cost that you must pay so that you'll be able to charge someone else $450 for your website. And you're not trying to get one client, you're trying to get as many clients as possible. But I'm not also saying that if you sign up today, it means that you're going to make money by tomorrow or by next week, and then suddenly you've got so many clients and then you're making a lot of money. this thing takes time and it takes effort, right? So, in other words, you have to also think of it in terms of like an investment. Some people might make money immediately because maybe you've got some form of experience and you've got a bit of luck, which means that you are able to find clients immediately. And then in your first week of actually trying this, you start finding clients. But then for some people, because you're totally new to this industry, it might take you a while, maybe to take you 2 months or 3 months. You must actually be willing to sign up and pay that $49 for 2 or 3 months, because you know that afterwards, after the learning curve, you're going to be making a whole lot of money. So it's actually an investment for you to do this. That's why I said it's a web design business. Businesses are started to make money in the long term. They're not started to make money for you to have money for the next weekend. So if you're that type of person who's just looking for money to make good money for the weekend so that you can go and drink, please don't sign up. Don't join. This thing is not for you. So make sure you sign up for Creator HQ using the link in the description below, or just simply go to the website, which is creatorhq.com, and then just sign up and just play around with the software. Maybe you want to use it for your own personal website, go ahead and do that. But if you want to learn how to start your own web design, a web development business, make sure that you also click the link that's also in the description and sign up for that free training. Depending on when you sign up, if you sign up immediately, you may find that it's actually a waiting list. But then the next few days, it's going to be opened up for people to start joining. We've got a Facebook group where we meet up with other creators or other web developers, and then I help you on this journey of becoming a web developer. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button just to show your support, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I create content just like this, designed to show you different ways of earning income online. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.